Hey guys, it's Wednesday, so I'm not going to do the whole different slot video thing because, well, I'm in the middle of filming my video right now that I'm doing for Skyscraper by Demi Lovato, and I'm kind of at the park right now, so yeah, I'm not going to do that whole thing. So I'm going to pretty much show you what I did this summer. For my fun, I didn't do that much. I kind of went to the zoo and met Cody Simpson at the early beginning of summer, so that's going to be my video. So yeah. Yeah. Peace.